In this video, we're going to do another example of the chain rule. The chain rule says the derivative of a function that has an outside and inside piece is the derivative of the outside with the inside intact times the derivative of the inside. Question for this video is, what is the derivative with respect to x of the square root of 3x squared minus 5x plus 2? So in this case, we're going to have an outside function is going to be our square root, and the inside function is going to be this polynomial, 3x squared minus 5x plus 2, on the inside. All right, so our outside function is the square root of blah. The square root is one that we've seen a couple times, and this derivative of the square root, which is our outside function, so that's going to be O prime, is going to be 1 over 2 times the square root of whatever was inside. Okay, so it's going to be 1 over 2 times the square root of blah. Our inside function is pretty straightforward. That's a polynomial. So I prime, we simply take the derivative of the polynomial. Derivative of 3x squared is 6x. The derivative of minus 5x is minus 5. And the derivative of 2, since that's a constant, that goes to 0. And now putting the pieces together, the derivative of the outside with the inside intact times the derivative of the inside. All right, so the derivative of the outside is going to be 1 over 2 times the square root of our inside intact, 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. Times the derivative of the inside is simply 6x minus 5. Or written more nicely, it's like this. Now, since this is a multiplication, I can take this bit and simply write it up top here as the little more compact form, 6x minus 5 over 2 times the square root of 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. And that is our answer.